In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add support and resistance lines in MT5. We'll keep this simple and practical so you can quickly mark important price levels on your chart and make them easier to read. Support and resistance lines help you identify areas where price has previously reacted, paused, or reversed, which can be very useful when analyzing market structure. First, open the MetaTrader 5 platform and bring up the chart you want to work on. Once you're inside MT5, focus your attention on the top toolbar. This is where you'll find the drawing tools you need. In particular, look for the horizontal line icon, which also has the shortcut Alt and H, and the trend line icon, which uses Alt and T. For this process, the main tool we'll use is the horizontal line, since support and resistance are usually marked as flat price levels. Next, click the horizontal line icon, then move your cursor onto the chart and place a line at a recent swing low, which is basically a valley on the chart where price moved down, stopped, and then bounced upward. These areas often act as support because buyers previously stepped in there. Try to place the line at a level that clearly matches the recent low rather than forcing it into an area that doesn't show a clean reaction. The goal is to mark the level where price visibly respected that zone. After that, click the same horizontal line icon again and start marking recent swing highs. These are the peaks where price moved up, stalled, and then reversed downward. These levels often act as resistance because sellers were active there before. As you place these lines, look for obvious turning points that stand out on the chart. If multiple candles react around the same price, that can make the level even more meaningful. Once your lines are on the chart, you can customize them to make everything easier to interpret. Double-click any line to highlight it, then right-click and choose Properties. From there, you can change the line's color and thickness and also control which time frames the line appears on. This is especially helpful if you want certain levels to stay visible only on the charts where they matter most, keeping your workspace clean and organized. A useful tip is to use one color for support and another for resistance so you can recognize them instantly. With just these tools, you can make your chart much clearer and build a stronger visual framework for analysis in MT5.